See, now I can look and see what
okay. See what the
I'm
camera
doing.
sees.
Yeah. It's backwards, but...
Where did that come from?
Just to see how that was going. That's it. So, protected this. A line here. A line there. When I come back from eating dinner, cut this bastard off.
Oh, you ride back. So I think I'm gonna run my dust buster here. I'll catch on the free.
Let's see what it looks like.
I guess the last one too, like a watch.
I'm all the way through there.
Really? On the whole thing?
Well, there's just that little bit, but I don't want to go.
Alright, so you just flip it over and do the same thing, right?
Turn it around the way I can see. Still got a lot to take off. See? I don't want to take any more of that off. So I don't want to hit that barrel nut.
Well, you have it lined up between the spokes of it. So
Yeah, I
it should
know.
be
I did
fine.
that on purpose.
finished table, boy.
All right, let's let me see a flathead. There we go.
Sweetness.
That's off.
So you barely nicked that.
We'll be right back. Alright. Sucker all cleaned up. Oh.
I heard from God today, and she sounded just like me. What have I done? And who have I become? I saw the devil today.
We gotta do a little bit of shaving in this thing. Because I got a left-handed upper, so. Got it?
It's not gonna take much force wrestling. It's only a little bit. Good. Yep.
I'm getting closer every day to the end. To the end, the end, the end. I'm getting closer every day. Arms wide open, I stand alone. I'm no hero, and I'm not made stone.
Looks nice.
And there we go. This left-handed upper receiver is hitting the anti-roll peg that sticks out. It's hard to see.
Stop messing around and start shaving with Harry's for half the price. Harry's is so confident in the quality of their blades, they'll send you a razor handle, 5-blade.
All right, let's get this thing back together and see what it all looks like. Oh, look how good that color matches.
What?
Nourish you.
Yeah, man.
I mean,
It should
it
help
looks
you
like it's
become
made by the same company.
and strong.
Good.
It should help you do
And there she is.
Behind the gun, I'll make my fire.